Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create journals for print on demand. Are you looking for a guide on how to, I don't know, make journals for print on demand? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so excuse me. So we are now in Shopify.com. So just to show you what is print on demand or POD, how does it work? Print on demand business is where uh, you work with a supplier of white label products like baseball hats or tote bags to customize those products and sell them on a per order basis under your own brand and with your own designs. So with print on demand, you don't pay for the cost of the product until after you've actually sold it. So there is no need to buy in bulk or hold any inventory yourself. It's pretty nifty. As such, it continues to become a popular business model in the world of e-commerce. Plus, with print on demand services, everything after the sale from digital printing to order fulfillment and shipping is handled by your supplier. A major addition that's beneficial for print on demand is that once you've set up everything up, it only takes a few clicks to fulfill an order after you've made a sale. So that's what print on demand is. And most of the time, it's different products. And we're going to go to Canva because we want to create journals for print on demand, right? So what you want to do is just type journal, right? There you go. As you can see, there's a ton of journals that you could use. To access these or the free ones, at least you gotta sign in. The better ones, in my opinion, are behind Canva Pro. So Canva Pro is the premium Canva content, which is, in my opinion, very affordable and it's well worth it. If you wanna create a fun looking journal, uh, like this one, this looks fun and it's free. So let's click on it. But Canva Pro is a lot of things. Has a lot of things that you could use. So you could use these, right? So you could design your journals on um, on Canva and just go to your Shopify store and sell it there. And you're gonna, of course, do your research and find a good supplier to print and ship these. Um, and you're pretty much all set. We'll touch on Canva Pro before the video ends, but for example, this is your design, right? You can change these, of course. You can make this your own, or if you have Canva Pro, there's a lot of Canva Pro. Like this one is pretty nice. This one is pretty good. This you'll know it's Canva Pro if you see a small crown, a small yellow crown on the lower right corner of the template, and if you hover it, it says Pro like that, right? It says upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template. Um, and yeah, like going back to this, so you add a page, right? You could just, you know, uh, it's page 2, right? So you can just, uh, you can do this per month. So maybe page 2 and just duplicate the page, right? Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate, and duplicate, and duplicate, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make another one. 7. So now you have for 1 week, right? And ideally, you would want for 1 month, right? You don't want like a very thick journal because you want to sell, but at the same time, you don't want to, short your potential customers. So now uh you have a cover, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? You have now this, and once you've fixed these, say you change the color, you change the design, although this is it on itself is pretty good. Maybe just change the color and like the other elements, so you don't, you're not like, oh, it's free in Canva, why are you selling it? But that's why you need to make it your own. So once that's done, you could just click on share, and then click on download, right? And then uh, just click on download. You're gonna be able to download that. And once that's done, and once you've set up your Shopify account, Shopify store, and make a post, what do you call that? A product post, whatever it's called. I forgot. Sorry. Um, you'll show the front cover. You're gonna want to take a screenshot of this and take a screenshot of the pages so they can see, right? And then you're pretty much gonna send this to the supplier once you've found the right one for you, or a good one, to say the least. And and yeah, that's pretty much how you make. You can just make it. You can do it yourself, right? And there's a lot of other designs that you can use for free and just make it yourself. Or if you have, if you want to, create a blank journal, you can do that too with your own templates, your own elements, and you just want to click on upload here on the left menu in the middle. It says uploads. That's where you upload, fonts, PNGs, JPEGs, whatever. And you have colors and whatnot, so you'll be fine. Um, so that's pretty much it for how to make and how to set up um, journals for your print on demand on Shopify, or maybe Amazon. You can do that too. So if you want to try Canva Pro and want to learn more, click on the top menu that has drop downs. Click on plans and pricing, and then click on Pro. And you're going to see it says Canva Pro. There's a lot of things here. Design easier, scale your brand, and improve workflows, one workspace. So it has everything, right? And it has AI tools now too, which just made things very easily. So yearly it's $24.90 in Philippine money, but it's around 60, 55 US, 50, 55, $60 US. If you go monthly, it's probably $6 at most US, which is pretty cheap and way well worth it. Very affordable. And what you get is you have unlimited access to premium templates, 100 million plus premium stock photos, videos, audios, graphics, and much more. You have established your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and fonts with up to 100 brand kits. You can resize designs using tool. There's a lot of AI tools. You can schedule social media content for 8 platforms. You have 1 terabyte of cloud storage, and you have 24/7 customer support. Which, for $6 a month, are you kidding me? It's pretty well worth it. So yeah, try Canva Pro. And that's it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.